when your check clears, my dear. That's the way. See, you're new to this organization, but I am your mercenary meteorologist. There is relief in the extended outlook, not in the next few days, though, so we're going to have to continue to grit our teeth with heat and humidity, but at least, since misery loves company, our misery is small potatoes compared to New York City, Philadelphia, and Washington. I know that doesn't help you cool off, but it is a point worth making. The big hot ridge of high pressure has not moved. It is blocking any of the showers and a stationary front that has somewhat cooler air on the other side of it from getting here. So for tonight, much like last night, elevated ozone to begin with. It comes down later tonight. That's the best time, late evening, to take a nice walk to cool off a little bit. Not going to cool off right now. It's 88, and so far, that is the high for the day at the National Weather Service, which means it is cooler than that in downtown Buffalo, closer to the lake. 12-mile-an-hour winds, but the humidity, while high, is not as high as it was yesterday this time. There is a difference. Our dew point was 71 degrees, 63 degrees certainly sticky, but not what we would really define as oppressive. A southwest wind across the Niagara frontier. Much lighter winds in the southern tier where the winds went dead calm last night, and I expect them to do that again tonight inland from the lake. The dew points, as I said, they're high, but not as bad as they've been. Now, let's take a look at the current temperatures. We told you about the day's highs. They still haven't moved very much. 89 at Niagara Falls, 91 at Toronto, where the heat index is highest of all the points on this map. Long Point, a good place to be today since the lake's at 72. Long Point's only at 79 degrees. And right along the Riverwalk right now, a lot more comfortable than the rest of western New York. Now, the problem area runs from New York City down to D.C. This 98-degree reading is at LaGuardia, but Central Park, shaded Central Park, where the instrument shelter is in a nice shady area, it's 102 degrees and there's virtually no wind. 102 at Philly, 102 at D.C., 104 earlier at Newark. Now, the only saving grace for New York City within this horrendous heat wave that they're suffering, and Philadelphia, is the dew points are not as high as they're going to be tomorrow and Thursday. That will make the heat indices even more dangerous than they are now. We've got our 63-degree dew point, a little drier in Detroit, and again, the heat index will be right back to 100 plus the next couple of days if you have to travel to the east coast, while it will be merely a nasty heat index around here. So for tonight, the haze layer stays. We have warmer air trapping all the pollutants at the surface, warmer air aloft. And these showers, well, they're not going to get here till late in the week, but they will. The moisture is building now over the Central Plains. This is a stationary boundary, but that's a genuine cool front. And on the other side of it will be a more comfortable air mass that arrives for the weekend. Here's your Weather Watch forecast, mainly clear. High ozone for a few hours longer, gradually improving later tonight. Valley fog, 63 in the foggy valleys to 71 in the metro area. Tomorrow, hazy sunshine, hot and humid. Ozone goes right back up again by midday. 86 at the harbor to 93 to the north and northeast of Buffalo. 89 or 90 at the airport. We might make it. Do you want to, though? And then tomorrow night, clear. Ozone early on, again, just like tonight. And more of the same on Thursday, which could end up being the hottest. Then on Friday, showers and storms will be around. In the afternoon, they may produce some locally heavy downpours. Not as hot, but very humid. Improvement Saturday morning, much more comfortable by Saturday afternoon and Sunday, meaning things will be nice for a taste of Buffalo. And then we start to warm up again on Monday. Not quite as warm as it is now, though.
Saturday and Sunday look great.
Yep.